Welcome back to Revolution, your ultimate destination for all things automotive, luxury, and adventure. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious Super C motorhomes in the world, the 2026 Newmar Grand Star. It's bold, powerful, and engineered to deliver Class A luxury in a Class C body. Let's hit the road and explore every detail of this rolling masterpiece. At the heart of the 2026 Grand Star is a Freightliner M2106 chassis paired with a Cummins B6.7L diesel engine, delivering up to 360 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque. That's serious muscle for towing heavy loads or climbing mountain passes with confidence. The Allison 6-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear changes, while the Air Ride suspension system delivers a cloud-like ride even on rough terrain. And when it comes to towing capacity, you get up to 20,000 pounds, making it perfect for hauling boats, trailers, or a towed vehicle with ease. Step outside and take in the Grand Star's commanding presence. Built with Newmar's exclusive full-paint masterpiece finish, the 2026 model showcases stunning custom color schemes and high-gloss gel coating. The fiberglass roof, aluminum-framed sidewalls, and vacuum-bond lamination make this coach both durable and sleek. The integrated Girard power awning with LED lighting, frameless dual-pane tinted windows, and exterior entertainment center with a 43-inch LED TV bring outdoor luxury to your fingertips. Add the optional slide-out storage trays, and you've got easy access to massive underbelly storage, perfect for long-haul adventures. As you step inside the Grand Star, you're welcomed by a blend of high-end design and residential comfort. Choose between several interior decor packages, all featuring polished porcelain tile flooring, handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, and ultra-leather furniture. The living area includes power recliners, a freestanding dinette, and a high-A bed sofa, illuminated by soft LED ceiling lights and power day-night shades. A retractable 50-inch 4K LED TV with Bose soundbar ensures your entertainment is always top tier. The kitchen is nothing short of a chef's dream. It boasts solid surface countertops, a residential Whirlpool refrigerator, convection microwave oven, induction cooktop, and even a dishwasher. There's a pantry with pull-out shelves, stainless steel sinks, and high-end fixtures that blend elegance with utility. Everything is designed for full-time living, so whether you're whipping up a quick meal or preparing a holiday feast, the Grand Star's kitchen delivers. Moving into the mid-coach bath, you're greeted by a spacious and luxurious setup. The bathroom includes a residential-sized shower with glass doors, a solid-surface vanity, porcelain toilet, and generous linen storage. Some floor plans even include a bath and a half layout, so guests never feel cramped or rushed. At the rear lies your private sanctuary. The master bedroom features a king-size sleep number bed, full wardrobes, and a Samsung 43-inch LED TV. There's also a stacked washer and dryer, built-in nightstands with USB ports, and elegant ceiling accents. Optional upgrades include a second wardrobe, a safe, or additional overhead storage to fit your lifestyle. The 2026 Grand Star comes loaded with smart tech. It features multiplex lighting controls, a 10-inch digital dash, and dual 2000-watt inverters. The OmniView 360-degree camera system, Wi-Fi router with LTE capability, and satellite prep ensure you stay connected wherever you go. You also get automatic generator start, auto-leveling hydraulic jacks, and dual-zone climate control for comfort in any weather. When it comes to safety, Newmar takes no chances. The Grand Star includes electronic stability control, traction control, adaptive cruise, collision mitigation, and lane departure warnings. It's all backed by Freightliner's trusted platform and Newmar's commitment to excellence. Newmar offers multiple floor plans for the Grand Star, ranging from 37 to 41 feet, with slide-outs that transform the interior into a residential-style space. Whether you want bunk beds, a larger galley, or more entertainment options, Newmar gives you the flexibility to tailor your coach to your needs. The 2026 Newmar Grand Star Super C is more than a motorhome, it's a statement. A statement of power, luxury, and innovation. It offers everything you love about a Class A motorhome, with the drivability and muscle of a Super C. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad, the Grand Star is ready to take you there, in comfort, style, and confidence. Thanks for watching Revolution. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed breakdowns of the world's most incredible motorhomes, vehicles, and machines. See you on the next adventure.